Folks, if you don't have one of these, what are you waiting for? This is just one of my new favorite all-time household tools. It's mesmerizing just watching the dust come off of the screens in our windows. Oh, and then after I'm finished, you can really see clearly through these screens. They're black again. But did you know you can use it for your upholstery too? Yes, it's got such a nice oversized brush. The brush head is about 8 inches wide and almost 4 inches deep, but that nap on the brush comes up over all the sides and it's flat, so you really get good coverage and good removal. It just did such a great job removing pet hair and lint from the back of this chair that's usually in our travel trailer. Made fast work of a job that I usually put off. And look at that, that's what the brush looked after I finished with the chair. And you can also remove the arm, the handle of the brush. That's about a 12-inch handle. So it gives you some more reach if you need it, and you can take it off and get really, put your weight behind the brush to help with the removal of things that are in your upholstery. So easy to clean as well. I just got myself an old towel, and just in the opposite direction of that arrow, I just removed what was picked up from that chair, and there was quite a bit actually. So this is one of those tools that has quite a bit of usefulness in your house, and it's easy to clean. Just a bit of warm soapy water and let it dry on the dish rack, and it's ready for the next window, the next chair. How's it looking there?
Really good.
All right, there's just this one corner, and luckily I could reach it on the outside. But
Well, it makes it black, so it almost disappears. It's great.
we are truly amazed by how good this product is. We are enjoying our clean screens and the better view of all the things happening outside. We really 100% 5 stars recommend this product.